In this video, I'll show you how to stake crypto on Uphold. First, open your web browser or the Uphold mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you've completed the identity verification process and that you hold a cryptocurrency that's eligible for staking on Uphold. Next, go to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Open the Assets Details page and look for the stake option. If staking is available for that asset in your region, you'll be able to continue with the setup. Now, click Stake and review the information about estimated rewards, eligibility requirements, and any applicable terms. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake, then continue to the confirmation screen. After that, review the staking details one final time, including the amount you're staking and any waiting periods or restrictions. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to begin staking your crypto. Your assets will be enrolled in the staking program, and you'll start earning rewards according to Uphold's payout schedule. Finally, return to your portfolio whenever you want to monitor your staked assets and track your rewards. If the asset supports it, you can also choose to unstake your cryptocurrency by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stake crypto on Uphold. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.